Kawai ka samla brio ka barang khat khandai snam karta. Kala shapan yap hawai samla jongka bakala iya ya kini kisan banai baladam. Kani ka jingja kala aja manin ka singi ka arpun rio tarik ha kasnang pahams iem Riboy district ha kapor kumba shipho baje ai manstam. Ya kamet jongka ne ka samla la lap harut surok jongka te ka shnong hadien bakala shapan yap daw ba iya jongka. Marsni yo jingte balor ka te ka jingja ki pulit ka nong po mar kila ale chaka te ka jaka ba lap ya kamet jongka ne ka samla harut surok jongka shnong pahams iem. USP ka riboy ugiri prasad ulapan te bayaka ne ka jingja la ya thur ki nong shnong jongka pahams iem. But marsni yo jingte balor ka te ka jingja ki pulit ka nong po mar kila ale chaka te ka jaka ba lap ya kamet jongka ne ka samla harut surok jongka shnong pahams iem. Daga jingherap ki paj ba daga jing thwer ki pulit la yo ban kem no ya une ubrio पर की पुलित की तंग पंलों या जिंग टॉकेट बनला बे का दाव बशिशा हलोर का जिंग शापन याप जंग ते के समला थे लुअर
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Nongpo police station received information from the headman of Pomsiam, Nongpo, that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Nongpo police also managed to apprehend him in the Nongpo police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection. Thank you.